Hello everybody, welcome to Burak's Loft. I hope you enjoy the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I get to do a little bit of unboxing and we're going to put them up here in the cage here to give them a drink of water. They've been shipped out since Tuesday. They should have been here yesterday, but needless to say they didn't show up until today, so I wanted to kind of give you a little update and kind of show you where they are. I wanted to kind of cut the bands here quick and I'll get right back with you guys. So, all right. Well, guys, I haven't looked at the birds whatsoever yet either. So, I just got done cutting the bands. I pull off all the bands here so you guys can see. Same for the first time like me. So, looking forward to it. See how they look. So, we got tape on here too, I see. Ain't nothing wrong with that though, guys. Keeps it interesting, you know. But this guy here follows me here on the channel, and I reached out to him and asked him, you know, about some birds, and he said, yeah, he'd be more than happy to help you out. So I'm gonna give some of these birds a try and see how they work for me. These guys are all long distance. I do believe they are Van Loons. Don't quote me on that. I will put it up on the video once I figure out what's going on. So, but they're all alive, which is good. No, that's what you want. I don't want these little buggers to sneak out though. He said they're all from different parents, and they're all good long distance birds. So, I kind of wanted to kind of show you guys too, and you know, nice little blue bar here. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. It's just a shaking. But beautiful looking little bird. Nice little bounce. You know, feels a little on the skinny side because I imagine couple days or, you know, probably super thirsty too. So, but they are squeakers. So, anyways, like I said, I'll put them up in here and get you the next one out. Got a nice little blue check here. Beautiful looking bird. Absolutely gorgeous. These birds are just gorgeous. I can't wait to see how they do. So, but kind of wanted to show you each one of them. So, grab the next one. And another little blue check with white flights. Just beautiful looking bird. Last but not least, there's one more in here. Here's another little blue bar. Beautiful looking bird. Can't wait to see how they do. But needless to say, like I said, birds are there, and well, there's all the birds, guys. I got water in there for them. So far they, you know, kind of scared yet, I suppose. So take them a little minute to find it. So, but it's all good. Beautiful looking birds, guys. Yeah. Yeah. One figured out where the water is. He's thirsty, that's for sure. I made sure it was nice warm water too, guys, because the bird was out. Don't want to have cold water just because don't want to shock their poor system after being shipped like that, so. Once I make sure these guys drink, I will take and make sure I get some food in there for them so they can eat. Well, guys, they drank some water. Now they're eating. He's hungry, little babies. Can't blame them. Well, guys, the birds are looking good. I kind of hope you guys enjoyed the video today, so please like, share, and leave a comment below. And thanks again for watching.